Traditional pond, wildlife pond at that. So a little bit of hard graft, old-fashioned graft, and let's dig it out. There's quite a lot of clay in this, big heavy clumps. There's also quite a lot of leaf mould, well not leaf mould, leaf compost I should say, so it's all mixed up. So that'll go in the garden. So much rubble in here. Must have been from when the house was built. I'll have to go in a skip. So I'm just separating the rubble from the soil. Soil can go in the garden. Stones everywhere. Quite a big one here. Let's see what we can fish out. That looked nice on the edge of the pond. I'll use this one. Oh dear. There we go. That's a good one. Can use that at the edge of the pond. Oh dear. God, that's heavy. So remember, when you're building your pond, digging your pond, certainly for wildlife ponds or traditional type ponds, if you find any stones, don't throw them, put them to one side, and you can use that for your edging. The other thing about digging ponds out, it's a great exercise. Oh. There's rubble, composted leaves, bits of slate, you name it, it's under here. But at some point this will become a wildlife pond. Plastic, concrete, and brick. So I've all but finished digging the pond. It's going to be a wildlife pond. It's about just over 2 foot deep by the time it's finished. Probably looks a little bit deeper, but it isn't. It's about 2.5 foot at the most. However, the next part of the project isn't going to be the liner. It's going to be this. The bridge. So the next video I'm going to be showing you how I actually construct it. As you can see down there, I've just used a curbstone as the footing for the bridge by the tea house, and for the footing on the other side I've just used breeze block. Now I'll be putting a concrete mixture in there just in between, just to ensure that the footing itself is absolutely secure. So that's not completed yet. I've simply just got the beams themselves level. So the main struts for the bridge itself, or the joists I should say, call them what you want, they are 200 by 100 sleepers. So those should more than carry the weight of people walking over it. I'll be using decking at the same level as the decking around the tea house. So the top is going to be flat, it's not going to be curved. I was thinking of having a curved bridge totally, but I don't think it'd be fitting with the decking. However, the lower part of that rafter, call it what you want, joist, will be curved. So the bottom part I'll curve it round about to a depth of around about 100 mil in the centre, but the top part will be flat and straight. So hopefully it should look the part, and similarly across the bridge we'll be having decking posts identical to that, so it'll just look all the way across identical. And I'll show you how I go on about constructing it. So until the next video, have a good one.